getsu.
Yoga.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did this 5x5 closure install on my client today. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do the style, then go ahead and continue watching, girl. So guys, as you guys can see, the products at the very beginning, I am using I didn't put anything on her hair. I'm just braiding her hair down. But when I am done, I'm going to use that Jamaican black castor oil to oil her scalp, and then I'm using the Got To Be glue products, the black bottle and the yellow bottle, as well as the Got To Be spray. Okay, so after that, I'm using the Bold Hold glue to glue just the front down because she does want it glued down this time. And I'm using the Baby Bliss titanium and the Conair blow dryer and flat iron. Okay, and the Vigorol mousse is just for the edges to lay down her baby hairs. All right, so guys, like I said, I'm just braiding it. So the key is to braid small braids to make sure that everything lays flat, guys. I know you see how much hair she has, so we have to make sure that we are braiding small, so that way everything is lying flat. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and braid that down, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so after I'm basically done braiding down, I'm going to use a crochet hook just to kind of feed her ends of her hair throughout her hair, so that way I don't have to sew that down. Okay, don't use thread if you don't need a thread. Okay, just go ahead and just use what you have, and it's just way more secure if you just kind of feed it into each other. Okay, so right here, guys, I'm using the Got To Be glue cream in the yellow tube, and I'm going to use that, guys, to kind of mold her hair back. Now, you can use the other Got To Be if you want. You can use whatever you want to lay edges down. But, guys, I don't use, like, no style factor, no edge control for this process because I need a oil-free type of product. I need something that's going to stay, and I need something that's going to stick and get kind of hard. Okay, so I'm just using that Got To Be glue cream on her edges, brushing everything back, and then putting some heat to it. After I'm done with that, guys, I am getting a very light colored cap, guys. As you can see, she's very light. So yeah, I don't think I would have to tint this lace. Okay, well, tint this cap. I think in this video I did not tint this cap. I think I just tint a little bit underneath the closure because it's like a completely transparent closure. But guys, the key is to make it look as natural as possible, and her skin is basically this color, so you know, you don't have to do too much. Okay, that's the point of getting different tints of caps, so that way you do not have to. Now, if I had like a dark skin client and that's the only cap I had left, then you would have to tint it, guys. But if you get the cap that's the color of that client's or close to that client's skin, or a little lighter than their skin, like more so the scalp color, you should be fine, guys, with that. Now, the lace will be a different story. You may have to kind of customize the lace color, but for the most part, this is transparent lace, meaning it is basically that white lace, that very clear lace. And this is that new cap. So, you know, you just kind of have to figure out what works best for the lace that you have, as well as the color of your clients, okay? So once I do that, guys, I basically put that her wig on her head just to measure where the closure is going to be. I told her to put her fingers on the corner of that closure where the closure stops. So that way I knew exactly where to sew that cap on, because I'm not going to keep that entire cap on. I'm just going to keep that front part, all right? So once I do that, guys, I'm going to get that bold hold glue, get a rat tail comb, and just kind of seal the edges, so that way, kind of in front of her hairline, and seal on the sides where the closure is, so that way the cap doesn't lift up. And like I said, I already protected her edges that got to be cream, which is why I use it, guys, because it gets hard, okay? So you're going to make sure that she is very protected underneath that cap, all right? And then use that cap as a barrier, so you don't have to worry about it getting on her hair. So, guys, just cut off the excess with the scissors. Make sure you get some sharp scissors and just kind of cut off the excess in the front, on the sides, and in the back. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to kind of continue cutting a little bit extra fuzziness that I don't need. And I'm going to press in things that, you know, can be pressed in into that glue that I used, okay? So here I am, guys. I'm going to do 3 layers, okay? I like to do 3 or 4 layers, guys. So I like to, you know, just do that for that. So before I put that wig on, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 layers of glue on. And then by the time I put that wig on, I'm going only to put 1 more layer of glue. So that is what you guys are going to see me do. All right, so this wig is a customized wig. Somebody made it for her. It fits like a glove, guys. It fits very, 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 very just on point. Like no extra, not too big, not too small. It fits perfect. So the fact that it fits perfect, I have to be careful about how I lay it on the front, because it has that, you know, it has that tightness in the front. So just to kind of, you really can wear this wig glueless, honestly. But like I said, you know, she wanted it glued out, so we made it do what it do. But it fit really, really, really snug, guys.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze-fueled teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks I won and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly, girly. Let's get girly, girly. I go touch alone with a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again.
All right, y'all. So once I did that, guys, I'm just going to press that lace back over into the glue. I'm just going to kind of use that comb and kind of melt it into the into the glue, okay? So now I'm just telling her to hold her hair up because I'm going to tie that elastic band around her edges, guys. You can get that elastic band from Amazon. It's like a whole spool, and you can just kind of cut off pieces as you need. I'm going to use that Got To Be glue spray to reinforce that lace to get a full deep melt. And I'm going to use that elastic band. You need that elastic band, guys. There's no other option. A scarf won't do it. A little piece of paper, wrap strip won't do it. That elastic band is what does it, guys. That's what gives it that scalpiana look, okay? After that, I'm going to use that Style Factor, the Edge Booster Wax. You're going to need that just to kind of help everything lay flat. And then I'm just kind of going to blow dry her hair because it was still wet after I had to wash off that old Got To Be spray underneath that wig. Okay, so I'm just going to go blow, 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 blow. And just keep on doing that, guys. And just do that till everything is dry. After I am done with that, then I'm going to use a hot comb. The hot comb brand too much doesn't matter. Honestly, the cheap hot combs work just as well. I make sure I get an electric one though, so that way I can plug it up and they get hot and they get right, okay? I think that was like the Hot Tools hot comb. I got it from the hair store for like $20. You know, hot combs are not, you know, they're not expensive at all, okay? And you're going to want to make sure you do that just to kind of get everything blended. Like, guys, the key to making everything look natural is to make sure everything is flat in the front and the top, okay? That is very, very, very important. And that comes down from the braids to how flush you got the cap in to how much you're laying the roots down, okay? And I like to use that Got To Be spray. Just spray it on the hair a little bit, guys, because that right there helps the flyaways that you may get, okay? So once I am done, she wanted some curls this time. Last time I installed her hair, I did not film it, but she got it straight. And if I have a picture of that, I'll just insert it. How it looks straight, guys, like completely bone straight, which is still a vibe as well. But this time I curled it and it was giving Kim K vibes. Okay, y'all, this is my favorite client. I did her hair about 4 or 5 times. Love her. Her name is Desiree. She's an influencer as well. So go ahead and follow my girl. I think it's Hey Desiree. It's like 3 Y's and underscore Desiree. But I will insert all her information in the description box as well, guys. She's so cool. Love her. But y'all, I'm using the Baby Bliss flat iron to flat iron, guys. So the whole thing is metal. So it creates the perfect curls because it's metal, okay? It creates the perfect curls, guys, because it's heated throughout the whole thing, not just where the plates are. It's heated on the top, on the sides. So just be very, very careful because this flat iron does get really, really hot, okay? Everywhere. It just has those little, you know, prongs on the end to kind of help you protect it. The little blue prongs on the end to help you protect your finger from burning. But guys, it gets very, very hot, so be very, very careful. And once I am done, guys, I'm just going to spray a little bit of some spritz, but it's like soft hold spritz to keep the curls in. And I'm just going to comb everything out. Yup, so that's basically it, guys. I hope you didn't hear my son just yell in the back. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't even talk. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, girl. It was so good to talk to you. So good to see you. Hope you guys are loving this consistency because this girl is posting 4 or 5 days a week. All right, so we are not missing no time, okay? But I do not post on the weekends, guys. If I do post on the weekend, it's because I'm catching up from a day that I didn't post during the week. But 9 times out of 10, I'm never posting on Saturday and Sundays, okay? Just kind of keep that in mind. Alright, guys, everything that I use will be in the description box below, as well as you'll be able to see a picture of what I'm using while I'm using it. Okay, guys? Love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe if this video helped y'all, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Love y'all! Bye!
No worries. Please get back